In today's class, let us discuss about that your business study lesson, that is the entrepreneurship, on that the role of entrepreneurship. Yes, the children, already we all discussed about that what is the meaning of entrepreneur and what is the meaning of entrepreneurship and character and functions. In today's class, let us discuss about that role of entrepreneur. Yes, entrepreneur is create the new idea and he come into the practice. In the sense, he brings that in the practice. Understand? In the sense, every entrepreneur, he planned a idea. Afterwards, he make it to the force. It means he brings into the practice. Understand that? So, by this, he is helpful for the society. Understand? By this, he is contributed lot for the society by creating the new thing and providing the new thing for the society. Understand this? Yes, this type of the innovation, new products and production is very important for the country development. Understand? But it is the production is a very important for the development of every country, but not only for the development of the every country. Here it develops the, in a sense, entrepreneurship, in the sense production of the goods is develops the service sector, agriculture sector also. Understand? Already you studied in the 9th standard that what is industries are feeder for the agriculture, then afterwards the service sector also. In the sense, it creates the new innovation, through that it develops the service sector, then afterwards it uses the agricultural goods for the production. By this it helpful for the agriculture also. Understand? So here the agriculture is the fooder. It provides some more raw materials for the agriculture. So here what we are deciding that entrepreneur is very important for the development of the country, not only for the development of the country, development of the industry, development of the agriculture and service sector also. So through that he provides the more materials for the society. So through that what is market also gets development, then communication gets development, then society is also gets the development. People have more choice to bring the goods or to purchase the goods. Understand this? Yes, let us discuss about that what is the role of the entrepreneur in the society, how it's a useful for the society. He is a useful for the society. First one is the promote the capital formation. Yes, he is an entrepreneur, promote the capital formation by mobilizing all skills and factor of production. Understand? So through that he mobilized the savings of all common people and he start to innovate the new thing. Then he produced the good. Then through that he mobilize what are the savings. So he mobilized the savings of the people. Now he gets the loan, something, otherwise his own income, he mobilized that. Afterwards he utilized that. In the sense, every entrepreneur is not rich. So ಈ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಹಣದಿಂದನೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅವನು ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಸಾಲವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. He said all the time the banks are providing the loans. Loans ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಹಣದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಖಾತೆದಾರನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಲವನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಾಲವನ್ನ ಮೊಬಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಹಲವಾರು ಜನ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಉಳಿತಾಯದ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ, ಸಾಲದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವವನಿಗೆ ಸಾಲವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಅದು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಣ, ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಈ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಮೊಬಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. In the sense, he utilized that amount. Through that it is he promote the capital formation, provide the large scale employment. Is here entrepreneur provide the employment opportunity for the professions, then afterwards for the technically qualified persons and for the artists. Is it? In the sense, every entrepreneur is providing the employment opportunity to the people. Through that it reduce the unemployment problem. Understand? As the next point is that it increase the GDP, gross domestic product. What it is? Product. Production is also increase. What it is? it increase the gross domestic production, GDP. Yes, let us discuss about that. What is the meaning of GDP? Yes, GDP means it is in a particular country, in a particular year, how much what goods and services are produced. So this is called the GDP, gross domestic production. In the sense, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಾದ ಸರಕು ಸೇವೆಗಳ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮೊತ್ತ, ಅದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಾದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸರಕು ಸೇವೆಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ. Understand this? So this is called the GDP. So by this we can see that it increase how the more entrepreneurs there, more capital investment, through that more employment opportunity, through that the more production means what is GDP? It is regularly increase. Yes. Then next is the increase the effective mobilization of the skill. Yes. Every entrepreneur is increase the mobilization of the skill. As entrepreneur here, he mobilize the capital of factor of production. Understand what is? He mobilize the factor of production, land, labor and capital. Similarly here, the new skill, technology, he adapt and he innovate the new thing. Through that, what is? He utilize the all new things. Then afterwards, avoid better quality of goods and increase the standard of living. Is he innovated a new thing? Through that, he bring the new good to the market. So every entrepreneur, he want to present the new good to the market. Is it? Through that, what we can see that the collection of the goods in the market become increase. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. It is avoid better quality of goods. As here we want to sell our goods means the quality, quantity, price is very important. Is it? So every entrepreneur want to maintain the better quality like brand. Understand? So through that, what happens here? More goods available in the market. Understand? Then afterwards, here the more employment opportunities. Through that, the people get the more employment opportunity. Through that, they get the wages or salary, and more goods are available. They have to choose the goods. Understand? They have to choose the goods. Through that, here they increase the standard of living. In the sense, instead of one good, they can take another good here. Because of more entrepreneur here, more goods available, employment opportunity is also there. Through that, the standard of living is also increased. Then next is, it promotes the development of the industries and removing the regional disparities. What it is? It promotes the development of the industries. In a sense, more investment, new innovations, it creates the industrialization. In a sense, it creates the more industries. Then afterwards, what it makes? Remove the regional imbalance or disparities. Is here through that industries are started in the border of village and also the urban area. Through that, the development of all that middle place is take place. In a sense, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ನಗರ ಸೆರಗು ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ನಗರ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸೇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಗರಗಳ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನಗರದಿಂದ ಹೊರಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊರಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ನಗರ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಸೆರಗು ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರದೇಶವಾಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಗಳು, ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಗರಗಳು ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹೊಂದತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭವನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರಿಟೀಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ urban disparities it is removed by the what is entrepreneurship. Yes, then next is the what is it decrease that concentration of the income and wealth, but it reduce the concentration and income of the wealth in a person. In a sense, it provide them what it is employment opportunity for the labors, and the profit is distributed to the fact of production. Through that, it reduces the what is the concentration of the income and wealth. It means what it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣದ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಒಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದನ್ನ ಇದು ತಡೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಭ ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಏನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಲೇಬರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನು ಹಂಚ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ತಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಲಾಭವನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಧಾನಗೊಳಿಸಬಹುದು, ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಅವು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಲಾಭವನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಂಡವಾಳಕ್ಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಕೂಲಿಗಾಗಿ, ಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸೌಕಳಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಯಂತ್ರೋಪಕರಣಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಸ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಲಾಭವನ್ನ ಹಂಚಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೇಬರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Okay, then next is the increase the export trade. Is here more industries is increasing, means in a sense industries are increasing in a country means production is also become increased. Understand what is here we can see that industries are increased means the production is also increased. So how much is necessary, that much we are utilizing, then remaining we are exporting for other country. Understand? So through the export we are gaining the foreign income also. And the next is changing the technology and try to maximize the profit by the innovation. Yes, so here we can see that it changing the technology. Already I said that every entrepreneur introduces providing the new good for the society. So similarly the consumer is also not ready to accept the same good. Understand? Already I said to you in the last 8th standard that is Parle-G biscuit is there. ಒಂದು Parle-G biscuit ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರದ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Parle-G ತರನೇ ಇರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜನ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಹಿ ಡೂ ದ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. Understand? And maximize the profit by the innovation. By this innovation he want to maximize his profit. Is well, children, these are all the role of the entrepreneur. Understand what it is? Entrepreneur main intention is the profit. So apart from that we can see that entrepreneur is useful for the society and he is providing the wonderful contribution for the society, providing the employment opportunity, increasing the GDP of our country and innovating the new technology, utilizing all factors of production. These are all the common thing and very essential thing for the development of the country, especially for the increasing the exports. Is it? So these are all role of the every entrepreneur. Yes, so valued children, let us discuss about that the importance of entrepreneur. Yes, already we know that entrepreneur is a very essential for every country and development of the every country also. Understand? And not only the country development and for the economic development of the every country, entrepreneur is the very important nowadays. Yes, let us discuss about that how the entrepreneur is very important. Understand? Yes, the first one is he serve as the spark plug. What is he serve as a spark plug engine in economy? In economics engine. What is he serve as a spark plug in economics engine? In the sense he supply the all strength for the economy. Is it? Understand? He's a spark plug. See here, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಡೀ ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಡೀ ಊರಿನ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ತನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಸರಬರಾಜು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ವೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ? ಎಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. Entrepreneur is not utilizing this good means there is no activity took place, no employment opportunity, no utilization of the goods, no more productions. Understand? Then through that there is a no what is more goods are available in society and market is also not extend, is it? Through that there is no exports, so backwardness we can see here without the entrepreneur in the society, is it? So here is a spark plug. When he mobilized all factor production, innovating the new thing, then producing the new goods means what happens here? Employment opportunities, the service sector get the opportunities, so by the agriculture he takes the goods, is it? Market become the exchange, more goods are available in the market, people have the choice to choose the goods, understand? Then afterwards here people gets the employment opportunity, their standard of living is also increased. This is the circle we can see, is it? So entrepreneur is the very important here. Entrepreneur ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಶ್ರಮ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಲೋನ್ ಇಂದ ಇವನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ, ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಹೊಸ ಗೂಡ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ತರಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಯಂಚಾಲಿತವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವು ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಶ್ರಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಣ ತನ್ನ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಅದು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ದ spark plug in the economic engine. Understand this? Yes, then next is this is the very important question for CET, TET, then after for the 10th examination also. Yes, then next is the stimulating all dynamic activity. Yes, he stimulate the all dynamic activity. Yes, here entrepreneur means dynamic. He want to produce a new goods. For that purpose, he innovate the new technology and new service and new thing. Is it? So for that purpose here we can see the stimulating the dynamic activities, through that society is also become the dynamic. Similarly country also. As the next was, so here they must encouraged and rewarded, is it? Without the entrepreneur country cannot get the what is dynamic, is it? So he introduced a new thing like the spark plug. He stimulate the all sectors, is it? So through that we should encourage the every entrepreneur and we should reward those entrepreneurs, is very necessary because of development of the country is depend upon the entrepreneur is another concept. We can see that. Yes, here this is the very important and very good line, that is the dynamic societies have the more entrepreneur. Yes, 100% here. What it is? Dynamic society, every dynamic society. What is the meaning of dynamic? Dynamic hero is called what? Devraj. Why we are calling the Devraj as the dynamic hero? Because of his what is we can see the what is Devraj in a different part in the different films, is it? In some films he is a villain, in some film he is a hero, and sentimental films he is like a police, and then afterwards in the devotional films also we can see that is it emotionals. So his part is very different from one film to another film, so we call Devraj as a dynamic. Similarly here he is a dynamic in the sense country is a different, not like the one traditional manner, in the sense stagnant manner. ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದೇ ತರದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈನಾಮಿಸಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇದಾವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು innovate the new thing and they present the new thing for the society. So here what is dynamic societies have the more entrepreneur. Understand this? Then afterwards capital formation. Yes, here we can see that already I said that entrepreneur is what is mobilize the all factor of production and he creates the capital. Through that it is possible for the development of the it is a nation and economic development of the country. Then afterwards the increase of the standard of living of every people. Then next is who undertakes the risk of the enterprises is the what is serial of the profit and seeks the opportunity to earn the profit and strives hard for the satisfy the needs. As every entrepreneur main intention is that is seeking the more profit. So for that purpose he innovating, he mobilizing, is it? Then he producing the new thing and he struggle more, is it? And he takes the risk. For that purpose here entrepreneur is a very important. As valued children, in today's class we have successfully understood that the importance of the entrepreneur. Let us discuss about that how can we become the good entrepreneur and how can we do the self-employment, is it? So this type of the question we can get after learning this lesson, is it? Yes, it's a very easy. There is no more qualification is also needed for this. There is no PhD is needed for becoming a self-employed or entrepreneur, is it? Our self-effort, then afterwards risk and our ability is great as a self-employed or the entrepreneur or successful entrepreneur. Yes, let us discuss about that. The self-employment is very important for the country and it is developed and it is helpful for the development of the country also. So government it is impossible to provide 100% employment opportunity for its country citizen because of the population is increasing every day, is it? It's a highly impossible. So government is providing the all facilities for the country citizen to promote the self-employment opportunity. It's a very essential. Already we discussed about that. In a sense, dynamic societies have the more entrepreneurs. For that purpose, our country is a forefront that providing the more encouragement for the what is these self-employed people. Then after for the business. Understand this? So here we can see that what are the ideas are there to become what is the self-employment? Is here in our textbook they are giving us some more ideas how can we become the self-employed. Understand? Afterwards I will discuss about that how can we get the fund, is it? So that much fund we have or not. So all what is some of the questions will rise in our mind. Is I think it's very helpful for the every person to become a self-employed. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾವೇ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡೋದು is a very important, is it? So it's the achievement also, is it? So what are the what is self-employment opportunities from the entrepreneur? Is if for the entrepreneur is first one is the advertising agencies. Yes, what is the advertising agencies is not necessary to explain that. Is the big companies is there, so those companies are providing the some more goods. So they should give the what it is advertisement of those goods. It's a very successful to get the profit and to sell the goods also. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಹೊಸ ಗುಣ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೈ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರದ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ. ಸೊ there is no need of the education here, is it? So only here the thinking, giving the some dynamized ideas for our mind is also only one single dream is providing the employment opportunity for us. ಸೊ ಆ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಯೋಚನೆನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ತಂದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ what is advertising agencies. So you go back for the 8th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ through that we can become a self-employed. Then afterwards marketing consultancy is also, you know that already the many more people are coming to home for selling their goods, is it, or for them selling some more finance or something, anything that is called the marketing consultancy. Then after installing the, what is the installation consultancy, is it, it is also the new, in a sense, in the service sector installation consultancy is also there. Then afterwards equipment rental and leasing, is it, for that purpose, for the marriage, the vases, otherwise shamiyans, chairs, some equipments is there, no, so we can give them for rent, for cycle, motors, or for the car, is it, so equipments rented and leasing. Then photo and copying center, cyber shops, is photo copying center, photo studios is also self-employment. What is one of the opportunity. And industrial testing lab, is it, so what is industrial testing lab or agriculture testing lab or diagnostics, so these are also very important, but little education is very needed for this. And internet browsing and cyber cafes, is it, internet browsing center or cyber cafe is also very useful, it is also one of the self-employment idea. Then installation and operation of cable and TV network, is it, cable network, installations of the TV, these are all also what is a business, in the sense self-employment opportunity. And finally the evergreen, that is the crutches and also the beauty parlors, is also the self-employment opportunity. We can move through this opportunity, then afterwards we utilize the dynamic ideas and new innovation on this, as we can become a great entrepreneur. These are all the self-employment opportunity for an entrepreneur.